What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to rearrange photos on Vrbo, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So basically guys, on all of the Vrbo places, as you can see over here, we are having specific photos in the gallery for that one. So what you need to do if you want to rearrange photos, basically over here, wait for it to load up. As you can see, we are having 32 plus photos, and these are the visible from the front screen. Maybe you want to add them, basically maybe you want some other photos to be on this, let's say, first panel. How to do it? Well, currently I do not own any Vrbo properties, so we are gonna go through the dialog. So basically, if you have more than one listing, select the property you want to edit photos. In the navigation menu, select property, select edit property, and then select a photo. Basically, if you want to upload a photo, select upload photo, and if you want to delete it or add a caption, select edit photos. And now on from the edit photos, you can select the appropriate photo. You can even select delete in the photo caption field, or basically move. So if you want to assign them to a specific room, we are having an unassigned photos. Click the assign photo tab on the photo editor, click unassigned photos, select space to assign the photo to a room, but we're not gonna go through those details. So basically, as I told you, if you want some other pictures to be over here, you can just press edit photo and select an option to move them and rearrange them specifically. If that option does not work, basically your photos will be uploaded in order you uploaded them. So basically the first photo you uploaded will either be the first or the last one. So keep in mind the order of you basically adding photos. Also, if you want later, you can rearrange them to the rooms. So basically upload your photos which are the best suited first. So guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in our other videos. Goodbye.